Hi, I'm Maureen Green with Kinlin Grover Real Estate, and this is a one-of-a-kind charmer, just minutes to the beaches and activity of Harwich Port. Welcome to 20 Leavitt Lane. Open and airy, this traditional cape with a floor plan for today is ready for easy fun. From the living area, you'll enjoy the TV and fireplace, but also the proximity to the dining area and all the food in this dramatic renovated kitchen with Carrara marble counters and polished nickel hardware. Natural light fills this home with 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. The outdoor living is fine. Shower outside and have dinner on the new deck. You won't want to leave. Remember 20 Leavitt Lane in Harwich Port, furnished, private, and so relaxing. I'd love to take you through. I'm Maureen Green. Thanks for your time.